2019 Toyota Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, rear spoiler. Come take a test drive today.